Om. Sahana vavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vitvishavahay. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samastajana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavitvaram Pathami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Dhyayami Samskritam Samyak Vande Samskritamataram. Hari Om. So as always, let us start with one shloka. Today is a very interesting subhashita that we will be seeing. According to the Western culture, first Sunday of August is celebrated as Friendship Day. And in colleges, etc., if you go, there will be a lot of these friendship bands and all these things are there, we know. It is not that we should celebrate or not celebrate. That's not today's topic. Who is a good friend? Today's subhashita is on this topic. Okay? So let us see. Beautiful subhashita explains who is a good friend. I will chant. Please repeat after me. Urmila Amma can repeat. Papa nivaradayati yojayate hitaya. Guhyam niguhayati gunan prakatīkaroti. Apadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale. Sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. Together I will chant. You can mute. Papa nivarayati yojayate hitaya. Guhyam niguhayati gunan prakatīkaroti. Apadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale. Sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. What is the meaning? So this is Sanmitra Lakshanam. Lakshana, the qualities of Sanmitra, a good friend. Who is a good friend? One by one, let us see. Papan nivarayati. One who removes your evils or demerits, bad habits, one who removes. That is first important quality of a good friend. Okay. Now each one has to reflect and see whether my friends are good or not. More important than that, whether I am a good friend or not. How many good friends I have is one thing, but how many people I am good, that is also important. Okay. Lots of misconceptions have happened. Okay. Lots of misconceptions have happened in the world today, you know. Generally, when we speak of friendship, good friends, etc., the examples that are given are not really good. One very famous example which is given is Duryodhana and Karna. See what a friendship. That Karna did not want anything, and you know, for his friend he died. Not true. None of it is true. It's the worst example probably of friendship. Few good qualities might be there in both of them, but their friendship is not good friendship at all. Why? First point itself is not done. Papan nivarayati itself is not done. Actually, they supported each other in doing wrong things. If Duryodhana is accused of bringing Draupadi into the court, if Dushasana is accused of pulling her robes, then Karna should be accused because it was his idea to do it. We don't read Mahabharata. Original text we don't read and we say, oh, Karna was such a nice person, but he was, all wrong things happened to him. Nothing like that. He was a terrible person. He had some good qualities like everybody has. That's the thing about Mahabharata. Every single person is a grey person. It's not black and white. Other than Bhagavan Krishna, everybody had good qualities, bad qualities, both. What happens nowadays is unnecessarily these negative characters are being shown as positive characters. There are books written keeping Karna as hero, keeping Ravana as hero. See, Ravana was a great scholar. So, who said he was not a scholar? But great scholar doesn't mean good person. We as intelligent Bharatiyas should understand all these things and should pick our things very, very carefully. Okay. So, what I am saying is, from the history also we should pick good friendship examples. Like, Sri Krishna Sudama is a good friendship example. Why? We will see every single thing they have done. Every single thing they have done. So, such things we have to remember and reflect in our life how many good friends I have, and more important than that, how am I to all my friends. Okay. So, first quality is Papan Nivarayati, one who removes all the evils of a friend. Yojayate Hitaya, Hitaya Yojayate, and unites them with benefits or good things, good qualities, good habits, good path. Hitaya, Hitaya means for the benefit, he Yojayate, Yojayate means puts them, unites them with that. So, friend is the one who removes negative habits from us and inculcates positive habits. Generally, in our school and college, we want to do something, which is not right. And another person also who does the same thing becomes our friend. That's how our friendships are made. Isn't it? Both of us used to bunk our class together. Wow, very good. Which is fine. See, I'm not saying that at that age, it is fine. But as we grow, we must understand whether we are doing really such things or not. Whether we are having a positive impact on somebody's life or not. Okay? So, Papan Nivarayati, Hitaya Yojayati. Then what? Guhyam Niguhayati. Guhyam means secret. He hides your secrets. You tell somebody, very confidentially, like this in my family, it is like this. And that person goes on telling everybody. He is not a good friend. When you tell somebody with that much faith, Guhyam Niguhayati. He hides your secrets. But Gunan Prakati Karoti. But he highlights your talents and qualities. Gunan Prakati Karoti. See, understand, somebody is a good singer, but is very shy to sing in front of everybody. But the friend knows he's a good singer, he's a good writer, he's a good painter. Then what the friend does, whenever there is opportunity, he pushes this person. Go, do it. Gunan Prakati Karoti. Highlights your talents, your qualities. Apadgatam cha na jahati. Next important thing. What? Cha means and. Apadgatam. Apad means difficult situation. Gatam. When you are in difficult situation, na jahati, does not leave you. So, doesn't leave when in trouble. Otherwise, we know all the funny things, no? Nowadays, they are all in Western culture. Everything is called now. Relationship word is gone. I don't know how many of you are following the young brigade even in India for that matter. Now, the next word they have come out with is called situationship. All the relationships are based on situation. No, so right now you are favorable to me, we are together. Tomorrow I don't know, you don't know, you go your way, I go my way. That is how it is. That is not how our culture teaches. When a friend is in danger, in difficult situation, we should be the first people to go and stand with that person. If we leave such a person when that person is in difficult situation, then what kind of friendship it is? So, apadgatam cha na jahati, does not leave you when you are in trouble. Dadati kale. Kale dadati. Kale means at the right time, when needed. Dadati, he gives. He gives when needed. Whether it is money, whether it is time, whether it is, anything. He gives when needed. In English proverb is there, no? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Isn't it? Really when you need, one who does not leave and one who helps us. Okay? Now, Santaha pravadanti, noble people say, idam sanmitra lakshanam. This is the mark of a sanmitra, good friend. See how beautifully in one Subhashita all the necessary things have been given. Now, please, how we should reflect all these points, we should reflect whether we are having for any kind of relationship that we have. Why? Because every relationship is fundamentally a friendship. Then later on there are different things that come to that relationship. It may be relationship with parents, it may be with spouse, it may be with children, it may be with relatives, but basically it is friendship. So we should reflect whether all these things we have or not. Whether we are pulling them away from the bad habits, whether we are inculcating or trying to help them inculcate good habits, whether we are keeping their secrets with us, which are not required to be taken outside, and whether we are, encouraging them to showcase their talents or not. We should see whether we are staying with them when they need and give whatever is required. That is what we must reflect upon. Okay, so very beautiful shloka, very beautiful Subhashita explains the entire relationship of friendship. Okay. Now here also if you see now, okay, this is over now, let us come to Sanskrit. This is Sanskrit class, not a philosophy class. So let us come to Sanskrit also. You see, so many things that we have seen in the Vyakarana, different usages of vibhaktis, you can see here. Papan nivarayati, papan karma dvitiya. Hitaya yojayate chaturthi. Chaturthi, you see, guhyam, again dvitiya. Gunan, dvitiya bahuvachana. Raman, like that. Apadgatam, dvitiya ekvachana. Kale, in time. When time is there, saptami prayoga, sati saptami, you remember? In time, when needed. Santaha pravadanti. This is the main sentence of the entire shloka. Santaha pravadanti. Santaha idam sanmitra lakshanam iti pravadanti. Santaha, noble people say that this is the mark, this is the characteristic of a good friend. Right? So many things in Sanskrit also we can understand from this verse. Okay? Let us chant the verse together and we can go forward. Such verses you can also keep with you and teach to young children. Rather than teaching Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Or rain, go away. These are not native to our. I am not saying don't teach that. I am saying teach something which will inculcate value, not just language. Okay? Let us chant once and then we'll go forward. Papa nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam niguhayati gunan prakati karoti apadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. Once more we'll do, okay? Because little different tune is there, no? It takes time for you to register the tune. I understand. Okay. Chalo, once more. Papa nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam niguhayati gunan prakati karoti apadgatam cha najahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. Idam sanmitra lakshanam iti santaha pravadanti. Thus say the noble people that these are the qualities of a good friend. All right. Chalo, let us go back to our topic. So far we have seen the forms of akaranta shabda, akaranta shabda, ikaranta shabda, ikaranta shabda, ukaranta shabda and ukaranta shabda. Correct? These many forms we have seen. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, everything we have seen. Whatever is necessary, we have seen everything. Now we come to the, actually there are more also ekaranta, okaranta, aukaranta, but they are very rare shabdas. And therefore we are not going to see, because this is Sanskrit for Shastra-study. They don't come very often in the Shastras, so we are not going to study that. If you want, you can search on Google, etc. You will find those tables also. Go Shabda will be there, you know, and how it declines, etc. You can find, but it is very, very rare. Hardly we find such words being used. So not necessarily, so I have avoided it. Now we come to the last one, which is important and which comes many times, which is Rukaranta Shabda. R is at the end of the Pratipadika. So Rukara Anta. Anta means at the end. Like Pitru, Matru, Kartru, Dhatru. So many words are there which are like this. Okay. So let us see the Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda first. Now here you will see that I have, generally I give only one word, no? Like Rama or Phala or Kanya. Here I have given two. Why? Because there is a slight difference in the way they decline. Therefore, two words we are going to see. One by one we will see. First word is called Pitru. Pitru means father. Second word is Netru. Netru is leader. Leader. Neta. Neta. So, first let us see Pitru Shabda, then we will see Netru Shabda. Here you can see Pitaram Netaram, Pitarau Netarau. There is a slight difference wherever required I have mentioned. All other places it goes same. Okay. So let us see the Pitru Shabda first. Okay. Urmilamma, you can repeat. Pitru Rukaranta Pullinga.
Pitru Rukaranta Pullinga.
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha Prathama.
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha Prathama.
Pitaram Pitarau Pitrun Dvitiya.
Pitaram Pitarau Pitrun Dvitiya.
Pitra Pitrabhyam Pitrabhihi Tritiya.
Pitra Pitrabhyam Pitrabhihi Tritiya.
Pitre Pitrabhyam Pitrabhyah Chaturthi.
Pitre Pitrabhyam Pitrabhyah Chaturthi.
Pituhu Pitrabhyam Pitrabhyah Panchami.
Pituhu Pitrabhyam Pitrabhyah Panchami.
Pituhu Pitroho Pitrunam Shashthi.
Pituhu Pitroho Pitrunam Shashti.
Pitari Pitroho Pitrushu Saptami.
Pitari Pitroho Pitrushu Saptami.
He Pitaha, He Pitarau, He Pitaraha Sambodhana.
He Pitaha, He Pitarau, He Pitaraha Sambodhana.
Okay, now we will chant once together. Pitru Shabda. Pitru Rukaranta Pullinga. Pita Pitarau Pitaraha Prathama. पितरम पितरौ पितॄन् द्वितीया, पित्रा पितृभ्याम पितृभिः तृतीया, पित्रे पितृभ्याम पितृभ्यः चतुर्थी, पितुः पितृभ्याम पितृभ्यः पंचमी, पितुः पित्रोः पितॄणां षष्ठी, पितरि पित्रोः पितृषु सप्तमी। हे पितः हे पितरौ हे पितरः संबोधन। So Pitru Shabda means father. Sometimes they will ask, then why Dvivachana, Bahuvachana? So that you can talk about all the ancestors. So Pitaraha means what? All your ancestors. Father, grandfather, great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather, everybody. Pitrun, to all of them. Yeah? You understand now, in each vibhakti, we add preposition, so the meaning gets added. Pita, father. Pitarau means what? Mata Pitarau actually. Pitarau can mean Mata Pitarau, mother and father, parent. Or two of them, no? So two parents. Pitaraha, ancestors. Dvivachana, Dvitiya means what? Two, father. Pitaram, one day. I prostrate to my father. Pitarau, like that, the meaning will go. In each vibhakti, that meaning will be added of preposition, right? So father, to father, by father, from for father, from father, of father, in father, oh father. Right? This is the meaning that is for Pitru Shabda. Now Netru Shabda. Now there is another way the Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda goes. And what is the way? In these four places, and of course in these two also, because they follow the same thing, instead of Pitarau, it becomes Netarau. Neta, Netarau, Netaraha. Not Netarau, not like Pitarau. So Rukaranta Shabda itself has got these two variations. But luckily, how do we know? Luckily, the words that go like Pitru are fixed. There are only 4 more words like Pitru. All the other Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda will go like Netru. I will mention it down when we see the Neta Shabda also. Then I will tell you which words are like this and which are all other words. Okay. So now let us see the Netru Shabda. Please focus on these variations. Rest of it is same only. Tritiya to Saptami it is same only. Okay. Now let us do the Netru Shabda. Can repeat. Netra Rukaranta Pullinga.
Netra Rukaranta Pullinga.
Neta Netarau Netaraha Prathama.
Neta Netarau Netaraha Prathama.
Netaram Netarau Netrun Dvitiya.
Netaram Netarau Netrun Dvitiya.
Netra Netrabhyam Netrabhihi Tritiya.
Netra Netrabhyam Netrabhihi Tritiya.
Netre Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Chaturthi.
Netre Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Chaturthi.
Netuhu Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Panchami.
Netuhu Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Panchami.
Netuhu Netroho Netrunam Shashthi.
Netuhu Netroho Netrunam Shashthi.
Netari Netroho Netrishu Saptami.
Netari Netroho Netrishu Saptami.
He Netaha He Netarau He Netaraha Sambodhana.
He Netaha He Netarau He Netaraha Sambodhana.
Let us do it together. Netru Rukaranta Pullinga. Neta Netarau Netaraha Prathama. Netaram Netarau Netrun Dvitiya. Netra Netrabhyam Netrabhihi Tritiya. Netre Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Chaturthi. Netuhu Netrabhyam Netrabhyah Panchami. Netuhu Netroho Netrunam Shashthi. netari, netroho, netrushu, saptami. He netah, he netarau, he netarah, sambodhana. Okay? Clear? Clear? Alright. Now, just focus on one important thing and then we will proceed. See here. There is a difference between these two things. Netra and netra. Netra, r is there, r. R is what? R is a swara. Here, half ta, half r, and then a. Here after ta, after the directly rikara is there. Okay. What is the meaning of this netra? Leader. What is netra? Eye. Netram. Netram, netre, netrani. Trinetram. One who has got three eyes. Okay. To that Lord. Trinetram. Okay. So netra is different. Netra is different. Understand the difference, no? Here Rikara is there, so Rukaranta shabda. Here is Akaranta shabda normal. Akaranta napumsak linga shabda. Okay? This is clear? Alright. Now, this much is understood. All the other things, now I am not going to repeat, which are same, etc. Okay? All those things are like that only. Okay, where the change is there, you please note. And now you see here. Bhratra. Bhratra means? Bhratra. Brother. Bhrata. Bhrata. Prathama ekvachan becomes bhrata, no? Bhrata, pita. Pita is father, bhrata is brother. Jamatra. Jamatra is son-in-law. Jamatra. That's why na Jamai in Hindi. It comes from same only. Jamatra. Devru. Interesting shabda is there. Devru. Devru is what? Brother-in-law. Devar. Devar, brother-in-law. Husband's brother. Devru. Okay. Nru. Nru means human being. Nru, Manushya. So, na narau naraha. That is how that nru shabda will go. So, these four and pitru. So, five of them will go like this pitru shabda. All the remaining, there can be many more, all will go like netra shabda. Okay. So, bhrata will become bhrata, bhratarau, bhrataraha. Not bhratarau, bhrataraha. Bhrata, bhratarau, bhrataraha. Bhrataram, bhratarau, bhratrun. Bhratara, bhratrubhyam, etc. Everything else is same. Okay. So all these four will go like pitru. All the remaining will go like netru. What is the, now these are what? Datru. Datru is the one giver, The one who gives is called as datru. See, in Prathama Ekvachan we use all these words. Data. Annadata, Sukhi Bhava, we say no, Data. Data means giver. That Data is because Prathama Ekvachan is Data. Actual word is Datra. Actual Pratipadika is Datra. Kartru, doer. Doer. Dhatru, supporter. Actually, Dhatru is the name of the Lord. Dhata. Dhata is Lord. One who supports everyone. Hotru, one who offers Agnihotra, etc. is there. No, there one who is a Purohit is called as Hotru, Hota, Hotaro. Hota, Hotaro, correct. Hotaraha. Okay, and Bhartru. Bhartru means husband. Bharta, my husband. Bharta. Okay, one who nourishes me. That is the meaning. You will see interestingly in Rukaranta Shabda, lots of relationships are coming. Isn't it? Right. We will have a separate class on how the relationships in Sanskrit, what are they called, etc. Separate class we will have. On that we will understand this. But for now, understand 5 words are like this. Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitaraha, etc. And remaining all are Netarau, Netaraha, etc. Okay. So this is Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda. Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda. Shall we go forward? All right. Next one. Rukaranta Napumsakalinga. Here also one Kartri Shabda is there. This is not the doer who is a male. But if an instrument or if an object is the doer, see, all these are adjectives. And therefore, according to the person, the linga will change. So here that kartru which is there is different from the karta. Here you will never see karta anywhere. This is different. Okay. It is kartru. He is karta. It is kartru. Because they are visheshanas. They can go in any linga. Right? So kartru shabda. Now, Napunsakalinga is very different from Pullinga. In so far whatever we saw, no, Akaranta, Pullinga, Napunsakalinga, they were very much similar, isn't it? This is very, very different. This has some extra forms also. So let us see this. Kartri Shabda, Rukaranta Napumsakalinga. Please repeat. Kartri Rukaranta Napumsakalinga.
Kartru Rukaranta Napumsakalinga.
Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni Prathama.
Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni Prathama.
One correction. Kartruni, that extra repa is not required. Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni Dvitiya.
Kartru, Kartruni, Kartruni Dvitiya.
Kartruna, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhihi Tritiya.
Kartruna, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhihi Dvitiya.
Kartre, Kartrine, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah Chaturthi.
Kartre, Kartrane, Kartabhyam, Kartabhyah Chaturthi.
Kartuhu, Kartunaha. Kartuhu, Kartrunaha, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah Panchami.
Kartuhu, Kartrunaha, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah Panchami.
Kartrunaha, Kartrunoho, Kartrunam Shashti.
Kartrunaha, Kartrunoho, Kartrunam Shashti.
Kartari, Kartruni, Kartroho, Kartrunoho, Kartrushu Saptami.
Kartari, Kartruni, Kartroho, Kartrunoho, Kartushu Saptami.
He Kartaha, He Kartruni, He Kartruni Sambodhana.
He Kartava, He Kartruni, He Kartruni Sambodhana.
Right. This is a very rare word. Even if you don't understand, too many things are there, you can ignore this. Not a very often used word. Also, you will see Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Vari, Varini, Varini. There are lots of similarities with Ikaranta Napumsakalinga and Ukaranta Napumsakalinga. So, not very difficult, but there are some extra forms which are there, which is fine. Okay, right. So, please note this correction. Okay, all right. Chalo. Now, actually, I don't think I have given any, I have not given any other words for Kartru because all others are Visheshana. There is no actual Nama in Rukaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay. Let us go to Rukaranta Strilinga Shabda. This is interestingly very easy because Rukaranta Pullinga and Rukaranta Strilinga are almost same. Okay, almost actually same only. You will see. Like Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha, Mata, Mataro, Mataraha, Pitaram, Pitaro, Pitru. Some little bit changes are there, 1 or 2 places. All others are same only. Now here also you will see that there are two possibilities, just like Rukaranta Pullinga had. One is Matru Shabda. Matru is what? Mother. Matru is mother. Swasru, Swasa. Swasa means sister. Sister. Okay, but they have little bit of changes, same kind of changes. Matarau, Swasarau. Mataraha, Swasaraha. Same kind of changes that we saw in Pitru and Netru. Okay, and it goes also almost similar. Few changes are there, rest of it is similar only. Let us see first Matru Shabda. Okay, repeat. Matru Rukaranta Strilinga.
Matru Rukaranta Strilinga.
Mata Matarau Mataraha Prathama.
Mata Matarau Mataraha Prathama.
Mataram Matarau Matruh Dvitiya.
Mataram Matarau Matru Dvitiya.
Matra Matrubhyam Matrubhihi Tritiya.
Matra Matrubhyam Matrubhihi Tritiya.
Matre Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Chaturthi.
Matre Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Chaturthi.
Matuhu Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Panchami.
Matuhu Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Panchami.
Matuhu Matroho Matrunam Shashthi.
Matuhu Matroho Matrunam Shashti.
Matari Matroho Matrushu Saptami.
Matari Matroho Matrushu Saptami.
हे मातः हे मातरौ हे मातरः संबोधन.
हे मातः हे मातरौ हे मातरः संबोधन.
Once let us see important word. Lot of times we will use this. See, Vande Mataram. Mataram Vande. How many times we have? Om Shri Matre Namaha. Shri Matre Namaha. Prostrations unto Namah is there, no? So Chaturthi Vibhakti. So many times we use this Matra Shabda, etc. Okay. Let us do it together. Matru Rukaranta Strilinga. Mata Matarau Mataraha Prathama. Mataram Matarau Matruh Dvitiya. Matra Matrubhyam Matrubhihi Tritiya. Matre Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Chaturthi. Matuhu Matrubhyam Matrubhyah Panchami. Matuhu Matroho Matrunam Shashthi. Matari Matroho Matrushu Saptami. हे मातः हे मातरौ हे मातरः संबोधन. Right? Now Swasa Shabda, only few things are different, rest are same. Let us do that also. Please repeat. Swasra Rukaranta Strilinga.
Swasra Rukaranta Strilinga.
Swasa Swasarau Swasarah Prathama.
Swasa Swasarau Swasarah Prathama.
Swasaram Swasarau Swasruh Dvitiya.
Swasaram Swasarau Swasruh Dvitiya.
Swasra Swasrubhyam Swasrubhihi Tritiya.
Swasa Swasrubhyam
Swasra Swasrubhyam Swasrubhi Tritiya. Swasre Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyah Chaturthi.
Swasre Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyah Chaturthi.
Swasuhu Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyah Panchami.
Swasuhu Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyah Panchami.
Swasuhu Swasroho Swasrunam Shashthi.
Swasuhu Swasroho Swasrunam Shashti.
Swasari Swasroho Swasrushu Saptami.
Swasari Swasroho Swasrushu Saptami.
हे स्वसः हे स्वसारौ हे स्वसारः संबोधन.
हे स्वसः हे स्वसारौ हे स्वसारः संबोधन.
Okay, so Matra Shabda, Swasra Shabda. Now here also Matra Shabda, according to that, these three extra words are there. According, like Swasra Shabda, there are no words. Okay, so these three, Nanandra means sister-in-law, but I don't know how to explain. I think in your regional language, etc., will be there, no? Nanand, Hindi. Say no, Marathi is Nanand, Bhavjai. Sister-in-law. I think husband sister. Husband sister is Nanandra. Duhitra means daughter. Duhitra means daughter. Duhita means daughter. Yatra means the one who is going. Okay, Yatra. Yatrigan kripaya dhyan deha, that one, that comes from here only. Yatri, there is separate shabda also, but Yatri also can be used. Right? So these three will go like Matra Shabda. So we saw in Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda there are 5 words. Right? Pitru, Bhratra, etc. And here there are 4 words. Matra, Nanandra, Duhitra, Yatra. These are 9 words are actually going almost same. A few Dvitiya, Bahuvachan, etc. Little bit changes there. Pitrun Dvitiya was there. Matruh Dvitiya is here. Okay? So little bit change, but rest of it is same. Okay, that is it. Swasra only one alone without anybody supporting, helping. Alright, so this is now we have completed Ajanta Shabda. Ajanta means those which end with Swara. Those which end with Swara, that we have completed. So, one file is shared with you. One file is shared with you people. Right? File is shared with you all. This PDF file you have, everyone has. Alright. Right. Now, this is something that we have already seen, okay? I am not going to take you again through everything. But what we have tried to do here is put everything in one page so that it is easy to remember, easy to understand. Okay, so here you can see Akaranta and Akaranta. So Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Phala Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Kanya Shabda. Everything in one. So once you put everything in one, you can see where are the similarities. Ramena, Phalena, Ramaya, Phalaya, Ramat, Phalat, Ramasya, Phalasya, Rame, Phale. The similarities are there, etc., etc. You can analyze and understand. Okay, so that is how it is done. So Rama Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Phala Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Kanya Shabda. Same way, now Ikaranta and Ikaranta. Right? Ikaranta Pullinga Kavi Shabda, Ikaranta Napumsakalinga Vari Shabda, Ikaranta Strilinga Mati Shabda, Ikaranta Strilinga Nadi Shabda. Here you can clearly see Mataye is like Kavaye, Matye is like Nadye. So all those factors which I had told you, while teaching, here in one place you can see all those things. You see here, Mataye, Matehe, Matehe, Matau is same as Kavaye, Kavehe, Kavehe, Kavau. Right? And then Matye, Matyaha, Matyaha, Matyam is same as Nadye, Nadyaha, Nadyaha, Nadyam. This is also Visarga only. Ha is Visarga only. Nadyaha, Nadyam. So we can see similarities very, very, very clearly. Alright, so Kavi Shabda Vari Mati Nadi. Same way Ukaranta also. Ukaranta also. Guru, Ukaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Napumsakalinga Madhu Shabda, Ukaranta Strilinga Dhenu Shabda, and Ukaranta Strilinga Vadhu Shabda. Here also you can see Dhenave, Dhenoho, Dhenoho, Dheno is same as Gurave, Guroho, Guroho, Gurov. Right? And this Dhenvai, Dhenvaha, Dhenvaha, Dhenvam, Vadvai, Vadvaha, Vadvaha, Vadvam. So it actually takes one from here, one from there. Right? Lot of similarities you can point out. And also between Vari, Madhu and Kartru, because it is in the same line, you can understand those connections also. Alright, and then last one is Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda we saw now. I'll send you another file with these 2 corrections made. But basically they are same. Pita and Neta are little bit different, or other things are same only. Okay. So Pitru and Netra Shabda Rukaranta Pullinga, Kartra Shabda Rukaranta Napumsakalinga, and Matra and Swastra Shabda Rukaranta Strilinga. So in this way we have seen mostly all words. Whatever will be used we have seen. Okay. 90% or 85 to 90% words we have already seen. Now few words are there, Nama Shabdas, which are Halanta Nama Shabdas. Those which end with not Swara but a Vyanjana. Like Atman Shabda, Surud Shabda, Manas Shabda, Nachiketas. So many such words are there which end with some halanta. Those words now we will see in the coming classes. We are not going to see everything. We are only going to see mostly used words, so that it will become easier for us to just understand that all other words are similar only. We will have a guess of what that vibhakti or rupa might be. Okay, that much is sufficient. Now, one important thing that you can do, I remember I had given you one homework long back, and that is related to the usages of vibhaktis. Remember? Veji, what? A vibhakti, one topic was there. Remember vibhakti? This vibhakti, Pratama, Dvitiya. Usages we had discussed. And then I said that, now that we have seen all the 7 vibhaktis and their usages, please make fair notes and try to cover all the important usages with examples, then try to make it into one page. Remember all these things I had told you? Now what you can do as practice for that is, whatever examples were used there, already you have written, try to go back and connect to these tables. Try to connect to these tables. Step number 1. Okay. So let us say example. What example should I give? First example only we will take. Pratama vibhakti. First usage is what? Kartari Kartru Visheshana. In active voice, the subject of the sentence is in Prathama. Ramaha Sitam Pashyati. Now go and find out, where is Ramaha? Here Ramaha, Prathama Ekvachana. Where is Sitam? It's like Kanyam, no? Sita, Akaranta Strilinga. So Sitam is what? Dvitiya Ekvachana. Like this, start to find out in all the examples, whatever vibhaktis we have already used, see if you can find out from the tables which word exactly it is, which anta, which vibhakti and which vachana. Can you try doing that? Yeah, for the words that we have already used, because many people always say when we are studying the tables we must see the examples, but it is not possible to see examples when we are seeing the tables. The 21 examples, will you remember? Of one table, like that 21, and like that multiplied by another 4, 4, 3, what? So many examples we will not remember. So we have seen examples separately, now try to connect. So write the address. You know how to write address? Wait. Write address. Address, remember, we have seen 2 types of Subanta address and Tinganta. For Subanta, what is the address? You write Shabda, Pratipadika. What happened to my handwriting today? Pratipadika. Anta. Linga. Vibhakti. vachana. 5 things you have to write. Suppose, for example, Ramena. This is the word. So shabda is equal to 5 things. So Ramena, I am showing one example. Like that you can write for all. Ramena. What is the original word? Rama. Akaranta. Pullinga. Apu, you understand? Apu, Akaranta, Pullinga. So it will be Ikaranta, Strilinga. Short forms. Short forms also you can write. Akaranta, Pullinga. Right? Vibhakti, Tritiya, Ekavachana. You can write full, okay? I am just showing you how. Otherwise you will say, no, Vedji only showed half, so we will write only that. You can write full in the beginning so that you become, you used to writing Vibhakti Vachana also. So, Rama, Akaranta Pullinga, Tritiya Vachana is what? Tritiya Ekavachana is what? Ramena. Devaihi, Deva Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga, Tritiya Bahuvachana. Devaihi. Like that, write this address for all the words that we have already seen. The examples we have already seen. And because it is the Vibhakti usage of that, now there will be some places where you are not sure. It can be Pullinga also, it can be Napumsakalinga also, because the form is same. Write Pullinga or Napumsakalinga. We will finalize later. Whatever we know, we write. Panchami Shashti Ekvachana form will look same. Not for Akaranta, etc. but for Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rukaranta. So write there. Possible. Panchami is also possible. Shashti is also possible. Then go and find the usages of Panchami and Shashti and find out which Vibhakti must have been used here. This is a language. Sanskrit, is a language. Only when we will start using, we will learn it. Okay? I am not asking you to memorize all the tables. I am saying keep the tables with you. And then see the example and see which one, where it is fitting. Okay? Can you do that? Can you try? Okay. Take your time. I am not saying try means before next class, etc. I am not saying like that. Keep doing it. As you do, then you will get it. Okay? Alright. Next class we will start with Halanta Shabdas. Very few Halanta Shabdas we are going to say. Then we will see Sarvanama Shabdas. Pronouns. Interesting pronouns are there, Saha taute, tamte taha, tatte tani, all these things we will see. How they also decline. Then the Vibhakti topic will be over. Okay. Then we will see some other topics. Let us conclude. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Hari Om.